Jamaican sprinter Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce took to social media on Wednesday to flaunt the impressive beginnings of her comeback. The Jamaican sprinter, who gave birth to her baby boy Zion last month, uploaded photos posing in front one of her businesses, Shelly's Cafe, located on the University of Technology UTech campus. I must say that the pocket rocket is looking very good. After giving birth so recently, look like she kind of ready for the track and field world again. Physically she looks in very good condition, and I am sure that she will be putting in the work. I don't know when she'll be returning, but she is a young mother, a new mother I should say, and I am sure that she wants to spend a little bit more time with her baby boy before really and truly taking up back track and field like that. But it's good to see her, and it is good to know that she and the family is okay. So very nice, you understand, and the business thing, not a bad idea, so no go and support the thing said way, you understand. Real pocket rocket. Nice, my God. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.